Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing one of the mannequins from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the head. Let's start with a curve for the bottom. Then for both ends, let's angle it up and out. And then a curve at the top to close off the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw two curves for the neck. And then a line across the bottom. Now from the bottom corners, let's curve it down. And then two longer curves down for the sides of the torso. And then a curve across the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw the waist. Let's step in from the sides and let's draw a set of curves down. And then another curve at the bottom. Now for the hips, let's curve it out and then bring it down. And then a curve across. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's move back up next to the shoulders and let's draw a curve out. And the same on the right. And then bring it back in underneath. Now underneath each side, let's draw two curves down for the arms. And then a curve at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw a small curve underneath both sides. And then another curve across. Now underneath, let's draw two more longer curves down for the forearms. And then close off the bottoms. Now for the wrist, let's draw two small curves. And now underneath, let's draw the hands. We'll start with a curve across. And then a U-shaped curve underneath. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move in and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the hips and let's draw two curves down on the left and two on the right. And then a longer curve across underneath. Now let's curve both of these sides down. And then close off the bottom. Now underneath for the knees, let's draw another small set of curves. And then a curve across. Now let's draw the next section by curving it down again. And then closing off the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw two small curves down for the ankle. And then a large curve up for the tops of the feet. and then close off the bottoms. And that's it for this mannequin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!